Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I'm going to tell you a simple and relaxing story in English. A story about a moment at a coffee shop, a place where small conversations happen. This story will help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, and help you feel more comfortable speaking English in real life. So just relax. Listen carefully, and if you can, repeat the sentences after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just follow the story. Let's begin.
It is a quiet morning. The streets are calm. The air feels fresh. Lucas walks slowly down the street. He looks around. People are starting their day. Some are walking fast, others are more relaxed. Lucas stops in front of a small coffee shop. He looks at the door. Simple, warm, inviting. He smiles a little and walks inside. The sound of the door is soft. Inside, it feels different, warm, comfortable. The smell of coffee fills the air, strong and nice. Lucas takes a deep breath. I like this place, he says quietly. There are a few people inside. Some are sitting alone, some are talking. Soft voices, soft music. Nothing loud, nothing stressful, just calm. Lucas walks to the counter. He looks at the menu. Many options. Coffee, tea, pastries. He takes a moment, reading slowly, thinking. Then the barista looks at him and smiles. Hi, she says. Lucas looks up. Hi, he replies. What can I get for you? She asks. Lucas hesitates for a second. Then he smiles. Just a coffee, please. The barista nods. Of course. Lucas feels relaxed. Simple words, easy moment. And just like that, the day begins differently. The barista smiles. What kind of coffee? She asks. Lucas looks at the menu again, just for a moment. Then he answers, a latte, please. Small or large? She asks. Lucas thinks. Small, he says. The barista nods. Anything else? Lucas looks at the pastries. There are croissants, cookies, small cakes. He smiles. A croissant, please. Of course, she says. She types the order. Click, click. Your total is €5, she says. Lucas takes his wallet, pays. Thank you, he says. You're welcome, she replies with a smile. Your order will be ready soon. Lucas steps to the side. He waits, not in a hurry, just standing there, looking around. The coffee machine makes a soft sound, steam and movement. The barista prepares the drink, carefully, slowly. Lucas watches. He feels calm. After a moment, someone calls, latte and croissant. Lucas looks up. That's me, he says softly. He walks to the counter, takes his coffee, takes the plate. Thank you, he says again. Enjoy, the barista replies. Lucas smiles and walks to a table near the window. The moment feels simple, but real and comfortable. Lucas sits by the window. The table is small, but perfect. He places his coffee in front of him. Warm, soft steam rises. He takes a small sip. Hot, but good. He smiles. This is nice, he says quietly. He looks outside. People walk by. Some are in a hurry. Others move slowly. Cars pass, bikes go by. Life is moving, but here, everything feels calm. Lucas takes another sip, slowly, no rush. He takes a bite of the croissant, soft, fresh, simple but perfect. He leans back a little and watches the street. A person walks with a dog. Another checks their phone. Someone laughs. Small moments everywhere. Lucas notices something. He is not thinking too much, not worrying, just watching, just being there. He takes a deep breath, in and out. His shoulders relax. His face softens. He feels present, right here, right now. After a few minutes, he looks around the coffee shop. People are reading, talking quietly, working on laptops. Everyone in their own world, but somehow together. Lucas smiles again. "I like this place," he says. And for a moment, he forgets about everything else. Time passes slowly. Lucas finishes his coffee. The cup is almost empty, but he doesn't rush. He stays for a moment longer, just sitting there, just breathing. The café is still calm. Soft music, soft voices, a peaceful space. Lucas looks at the last piece of his croissant and takes a small bite. He smiles. Simple things, but good things. He looks outside again. The day is brighter now. More people, more movement, but inside he feels different. More relaxed, more present, more okay. He stands up slowly, takes his cup, and walks to the counter. "Thank you," he says to the barista. She smiles. "You're welcome. Have a nice day." Lucas nods. "You too." He walks to the door, opens it, and steps outside. The air feels fresh. The world feels the same, but he feels different. He takes a deep breath, in and out, and smiles. "Maybe I'll come back tomorrow," he says. Then he starts walking, step by step. Calm, present, and the day continues. Sometimes, a simple moment, in a quiet place, can change everything. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you feel calm and more comfortable with English. Maybe you understood a lot, maybe only a little, and that's okay. You don't need to understand everything. Just listening, again and again, is already helping you improve. You can come back to this story anytime. Listen slowly, repeat the sentences, and little by little, you will feel more confident, more natural, more relaxed. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. It can be simple. It can be part of your day, just like a quiet moment in a coffee shop. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next story.